First, gumawa ka ng Christmas number. Ang Christmas number ay yung total amount na realistic at kaya mong gastusin ngayong holiday season nang hindi ka mangungutang, hindi ka masasagat, at hindi mo sisirain ang susunod mong taon. Next, hatiin mo into categories: gifts, food, family gatherings, travel, and extras. Then, identify your non-negotiable versus nice to have. Non-negotiable, ito yung mga important and meaningful. Nice to have, ito yung kasya, go, hindi, okay lang. Remember, budgeting is not about limiting your Christmas. It's about creating the Christmas you truly want without the stress. If this helped you, drop a heart or comment growth para mas marami pa tayong magawang smart money content. Merry Christmas and may your holidays be rich in love, not debt.